All right, guys, it has been a minute. It has been a very, very, very long time since you guys have seen me, Carl's Garage here. So I figured I'd just jump on my computer real quick. I'm gonna try to make as many videos as possible. I actually gotta get going, but I'm gonna come back and make some really cool videos. But I wanted to just say thank you to all those people out there. We are killing it on the orders. I wish I could look at my orders right now, but since I started this website, Kia Hyundai Recall Agent and everything, and Carl's Garage, we're almost at 200 orders of people coming in and purchasing the books. I had a bunch of orders today. So I just wanted to let you guys know that Kia Hyundai is still screwing people over. I'm still helping thousands of people, not necessarily thousands of book sales, but I am still helping thousands of people every single day. And that is the reason why getting the the Kia Recall Hyundai Agent is like the best thing there is, because whenever you get it, you're gonna be able to come in, and again, this is what it looks like for you guys, but once you actually get it, you're gonna get access to all of this stuff right here. So you're gonna be able to type in everything, why you were denied, everything that I can answer you personally, you're going to be able to type it in here and get a response immediately. And then if they say something, then you come back in here and you type it and you get a response. We also have the KSDS checker. Again, you can check to see if your car falls within the lines, because I get so many messages every day, whether or not on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or email, somebody saying, oh, does my car qualify? Does my car qualify? Well, get the KSDS checker in the software and it will tell you, or I also have a free eligibility checker here on my website. You can come here too and check to see if your car qualifies, which 99% of the cars out there, they do if they're between a 2010 to 2020 Kia or Hyundai, and they have that Theta II engine, either a 2-liter or that 2.4 liter. They put that motor in so many cars and SUVs, it's crazy. What's really cool too about the Kia Recall and Hyundai Recall engine warranty, or the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, you also have sample response. I need to sample responses, but I need to actually see which one of you guys have put dealer ratings in here too. Okay, so this dealer's bad. I think that's the latest one. I need you guys to get in here and put the dealers that are bad to you. And then also my biggest one is my chat assistant. This right here, it's specifically designed. You can upload documents, files, whatever you need to, and talk to it. Just talk to it. And it's going to reply to you and give you, put you on the right track, so that you can help get your engine replaced. And again, you can do this live. You can have the dealer on the line, and then they could be telling you stuff, and you could be typing in here exactly what the dealer is telling you. Or you can write an email to the dealer, whatever they reply to you, you can download it and upload it right in here, take a screenshot, whatever, upload the picture in here, and it's gonna be able to read that document and help reply to them for you. So definitely jump in here. And again, whenever you purchase this, the Kia Agent, whenever you purchase this, you will get both books for free. So whenever you purchase this, and in fact, what I'm actually doing, I'm going a step further. Whenever you purchase this book right here, so for anybody who's watching this, whenever you purchase the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, you're gonna get these 2 books for free, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the Kia Hyundai Flip program. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. It's a new year. If you buy the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, you're gonna get all 3 books for free. So again, it's AI, right? It's 2026. I can't be everywhere at one time, but I can give you guys the resources. And this agent right here is the resources that you need to get all your questions answered immediately. We also have this right here. It's gonna take you there, back to the Carl's Garage. We got success stories. I need more people to share the success stories. I got a lady who I'm gonna make a separate video. She shared her success story with me on email, but I need people to come here and share their success story. So I might make this public so that you guys can just share your success stories. Because I think right now it's only for the paid users. But I have a lot of people in here. I'm not gonna show anybody's information in here or anything like that, but you can definitely come here and it's going to be able to generate responses for you. You can check if you qualify. Here's some sample responses that are all ready. If you've been denied, boom, right here. It'll populate all this right here if you've been denied in a formal letter, in an email, or in talking points whenever you're on the phone. So this is why I built this software, because it's to help you guys out there, so that if I'm not available, as you guys can see, all this stuff on my tab is where my main time goes, but I still try to help people 24/7. But again, come over here. You can either go to both websites. Either you can go to carls-garage.com, or you can come right over here to KiaHyundaiRecallAgent.com. It's gonna take you to the main page, And again, this software is steadily climbing. I don't do enough videos. I do have ads running, but I don't do enough videos to really talk about this program that I wrote that's specifically for you guys that can help you guys out. So, and again, for the regular people out there, these are digital books, because a lot of people ask me, well, I had a guy today, I bought your book back in January. I didn't see your order. And two, when I looked at my emails, I didn't see your order at all. When I looked at Shopify, I didn't see your order at all. And then two, it's a digital download. Yes, I have hard copies here, but these are what I printed out at my local store to print out just to show and make videos with whenever you guys see my promo videos. But for everybody else, these are digital copies. Everybody's going to receive a digital copy. This way you can just take out your phone and you can walk into a dealer and show them, look, no, right here it says you can't deny me, or I qualify, or you can't charge me. I had a person who replaced their motor. I think they replaced the motor, but now she's having transmission problems. And it's like, nope, if they replace your motor, you're having transmission problems with whatever, that falls on them. But you guys gotta be aware of that. You guys gotta be locked and loaded and be able to fight back. So, and again, my agent, if you come over here to Chat Assistant and you tell it that, it's going to give you a path to walk you down and explain to you exactly what's going on. I wrote this. Again, I write software. This is what I do. So I have this piece, I have another piece of software too. That's not launching yet. Has nothing to do with cars. But again, this is what I do for a living. I write software to help people out. So remember, if you get the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent software, which is the agent, you're gonna get both books for free and the Kia Hyundai Flip program right here. You're gonna get this. So head on over to carls-garage.com. Head on over to Kia Hyundai Recall Agent.com and grab this software right here. We can make it cool in night mode or whatever. And grab this right here, guys. Grab it right now and get your engine replaced today. Again, there are no guarantees, but 5 years in the game, no, 6 years now, yep, since 2020, 6 years in the game, helping people get their engines replaced. You guys can look at my reviews, look at my comments on my videos. Straight at the content, Carl's Garage on YouTube. The comments and the people don't lie, right? You can vet me if you don't believe that I do this and I've helped thousands of people. So just go look at all the views on my videos, go look at all the comments. All right, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.